we have given that 1 by 4 times 2 by 6 times 3 by 8 times 4 by 10 times 5 by 12 times up to 31 by 64 is equal to 1 by 2 power x. Then we have to find the value of x. So we have 1 by 4 times 2 by 6 times 3 by 8 times 4 by 10 times 5 by 12 times up to 31 by 64. It is equal to 1 by 2 power x. So total number of terms from 1 to 31 will be 31 terms. And 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10, and 6 times 2 is 12, and in the same way 31 times 2 will be 62. So it is 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times, and it is 1 by 64, that is equal to 1 by 2 power x. And total number of terms are 31. So 1 by 2, it will be 30 times. So 1 by 2, 30 times will be 1 by 2 power 30 times 1 by 64. It is equal to 1 by 2 power x. And a by b power x, it is equal to a power x by b power x. So it is 1 power 30 by 2 power 30 times 1 by, and 64 is 2 power 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 power x. And 1 power 30 is 1 by 2 power 30 times 1 by 2 power 6 is equal to 1 by 2 power x. And 1 times 1 is 1 by 2 power 30 times 2 power 6 is equal to 1 by 2 power x. And x power a times x power b, it is equal to x power a plus b. So it is 1 by 2 power 30 plus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 power x, and it is 1 by 2 power 36 is equal to 1 by 2 power x. So 2 power x, it will be equal to 2 power 36. And if x power a is equal to x power b, then a is equal to b if x not equal to -1, 0 and 1. So here x will be equal to 36. X will be equal to 36. X is 36.